can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
Hey YouTubers, welcome to Tech World Vlogs and Tesla. I've got some exciting product that I will be reviewing today. This is for the Tesla owners out there. This is something I personally am excited to share with you guys. This is a product that all you Tesla owners gonna love. It's called an Illuminated door sill. Tesla do sell their own version of this product on the Tesla store. It is tremendously expensive, $250 for just the front passengers, driver door and passenger door, which is tremendously expensive. Didn't think it worth it, but this company, Hanshaw, actually sent me this box here, coming directly from, I think, Hong Kong, China. And this is the, I guess, the alternative to the Tesla branded door sill, illuminated door sill. This product actually has 4 pieces, which includes the front driver, passenger, and back seats, which is awesome. It retails about $320, so less than Tesla door sill. And this one here is really cool. I'm excited to share this one with you guys. You do not require to peel the original factory door sill that's currently on your car, which is a mess to clean. This actually just goes right over, so really easy accessory. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. I'll tell you right now, guys, you do need to buy these 2030 CR battery. You actually need 8 of these. So I went to the store there and I picked up 3 pack. This gives me 9, which is more than enough for this the battery power for this illuminated door sill. But you do require to buy this. It doesn't come shipped in a box, so you'll buy that separate. Inside the box, pretty basic stuff. You will find these small ones. So this says Model 3. It also works for the Model Y. This one here actually just have the 3M tape there, 3M tape here. The brackets where the battery goes in, right here, and actually tells you. And you get 2 of the small ones. I'm assuming these go at the back. You get 2 of the small ones. And for the larger ones, you actually get 2 of the larger ones. So right here, you have 2 of the larger ones. And it does say Model 3. You can also get the version for the Model Y. So pretty cool, nice, simple design. It doesn't feel heavy. It does light up with a magnet as the door opens. It actually provides power to this here and make it light up. Alright, so that is everything in the box. You have these padded like V shape that reminds you where to start the installation. Some clear tape and then some extra magnets here. So this is where you will use the magnet to install the illuminated door sill. Alright folks, that's everything inside the box. Let's go ahead and install this on the car and let's see what it looks like afterward. Alright, so after installing the illuminated door sill from Hanshaw, I gotta say this is hands down my favorite accessory for the Tesla. What I do like about it is that you're not having to sit there and peel off the glue that's on the original Tesla illuminated door sill, and it's just a simple installation. Anyone can do it. They've provided everything inside the box, and I highly recommend this product. I'll have a link in this description here where you can buy it. Installation takes literally 5-10 minutes because it's literally going over the original door sill, so you're protecting the manufactured door sill. And this is just a fun accessory to have in your car. Makes your car a little bit more luxury, even though Tesla is a luxury car. So I highly recommend it. Check this product out. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel, share these videos, give it a like, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this Hanshaw illuminated door sill and if you will be buying it. That would be tremendous, great company. And I want to thank Hanshaw for sending this out over to me for me to test. And I am looking forward to all the fantastic accessory that Hanshaw does have on their website. That being said, my next video coming out next week is this product here that also was sent to me by Hanshaw. This is screen rotating bracket. This allows you to take the Tesla Model Y or Model 3 display and give a 30-degree rotation on the screen, which provides a different angle of view. So I'm looking forward to installing this, set this up, and show you guys the finished product once it's done. Alright, so we'll see you on the next video.